Hi, my name is Paul. I have created this video to demonstrate the use of Spark's RDD to address the questions in Streaming Analytics CA1. To speed up on this video presentation, I have pre-downloaded this 90 megabytes Wikimedia file and copied this file to my computer's SA-data subdirectory as shown on the screen. Next, I started up my Jupyter notebook. The lines of Spark RDD codes shown on the screen will create a Spark context, load content of input file to RDD, and display the number of lines in the input file. As you can see, there are a total of 19,760,052 lines in the input file. To have an idea of the data in RDD, I displayed the first 100 lines of the data. From the output, I observe that each line has fields separated by colon. I have to extract all the words from third column of the RDD into RDD2. I also found that there are words in third column that are separated by spaces between the words. So I would have to separate these words in each line of words. I shall run the codes shown on the screen to extract the third column of RDD into RDD2. Display of the first 10 lines of data in RDD2 showed that third column RDD is successfully extracted to RDD2. Next, I shall display sample of words separated by spaces within each line of word in RDD2. The output confirms that there are lines with words separated by spaces. Take note of the line Abraham Lincoln that has 2 words in it. I went on to extract words separated by spaces within each line of words in RDD2 and separate them out as another word in RDD3. The output shows that there are 48,143,595 words in this RDD3. The code went on to display the first 100 lines of the data in RDD3. Notice that the line Abraham Lincoln that has been separated into 2 words, Abraham and Lincoln. Using the codes on the screen, I went on to convert all the words in RDD3 into lowercase string and store them in RDD4, and filtered all the words that starts with A, E, I, O, U. Next, I continue to extract, count, and display the total number of unique words in RDD4 after filtering. The output shows that there are 504,330 words in this file after filtering out repeated words. The final set of codes shown on the screen will list out the unique words for each letter A, E, I, O, U, count the number of occurrences for each word, and sort them in descending order of their occurrences. The codes will also find the longest word for each letter and compute its length. Because of the huge volume of data and repeated processing for each letter, these codes will take approximately an hour to run on my computer notebook. I will let the system process the data and show you the final results once they are displayed. As you can see on the screen, the unique words for each letter and the number of occurrences for every word starting with that letter are displayed in descending order of their occurrences. This is done on purpose to allow us to know which words occurs most frequently in the file. At the end of listing for each letter, there is an output showing the longest word for each letter and its length. To this video presentation, I have provided answers to all the questions in Streaming Analytics CA1 on Spark's RDD. Details of the output for this assignment can be found in Section 2 of my documentation on Streaming Analytics CA1. I've come to the end of my video presentation. Appreciate your time spent to view it and hope you like it. Have a good day and thank you.